Hey everyone, and welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm making a gorgeous treacle loaf. This is a highly requested recipe, and for me I've got great memories of having this as a child. My mum made it regularly, it was so popular at home and everyone liked it. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to place butter. You can use salted or unsalted, whichever you like, brown sugar, full or low fat milk, vanilla extract and treacle or molasses into a saucepan. I've always had terrible trouble with treacle, getting it out of the tin and into my recipe, so here's a great tip I discovered by accident. If you dip your spoon into a little oil before taking out the treacle comes off the spoon so much easier. Melt together over gentle heat and just keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Now for the dry ingredients. Into a large bowl, sieve together self-raising flour, ginger, baking soda, cinnamon and mixed spice. If you don't have mixed spice, you can use pumpkin spice, it's perfect. There's lots of lovely flavours in this loaf. Set to one side, the treacle mixture is fully melted and it's cool, and we're going to add in the eggs to this. Mix the eggs in with a whisk. It's important that the treacle is cool as we don't want to end up with scrambled eggs. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and mix with a spoon until there's no lumps in the mixture. That looks lovely and it's ready for the tin. This is best baked in a lined 2-pound loaf tin. Smooth the top of the cake and bring the mixture right out to the edges of the tin. This is ready for the oven. Bake in a preheated oven for about 50 to 55 minutes. When it's fully cool, we can start slicing it. Look at that, it's a lovely soft crumbly texture. I have lots of gorgeous recipes on my channel just like this one, so please subscribe so you don't miss them. You can eat this as it is, but us Irish love everything with butter. Sure, why not? Life's too short. I hope this gives you some inspiration to make a treacle loaf at home. If you do, let me know, I'd love to hear from you. You'll find the full recipe in the description box under the video. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!